back to another video. If you are new to this channel, hey girl, hey. And if you are not new, welcome back. So today I decided to do this cute little Valentine's makeup look. Any excuse I can find to do like a really cute girly pink makeup look, I'm going to do it. Try to do some affordable like drugstore products and some higher end products in there, so it's kind of a mix. As always, if I forget to mention what I'm using in the video, or if you're looking for a specific shade or something, check out the description box because it's all going to be down there. We're going to keep this intro short and sweet so we can get into the video, so keep on watching. Alright guys, let's jump in. So we're starting off with skin prep. Skin prep is the name of the game today. Starting off with lips, I'm using my Laniege lip sleep mask just to moisturize my lips. Then I'm going in with one of my favorite brow products. Benefit never lets me down. This is the Precisely My Brow Wax, and if you can see, I'm going from the back to the front to make sure that every hair is coated, and then I'm pulling those hairs up with the wax. And when I tell you, this saves me so much time in my eyebrow routine because I use this, and then as you'll see next, I go in also with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Detailer just to fill in some of those gaps, and that's literally all I do. I love it so much. And usually I don't carve out my brows, but I did go ahead and carve them out today just because I did want to do a kind of a full glam look, and you can't do full glam without going all out with the brows. Come on now. Moving forward in skin prep, we're going to use 3 products before I even go into prime. First up is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream, and this is the gel version. So if you don't know, gel moisturizer, better for oily skin. Cream moisturizers, better for dry skin. And I hate that this moisturizer costs so much, but it's honestly so good. It's great for like post skincare after I'm done putting on all my cleansers and stuff, and it's great for pre-makeup. It's just so good. And then I'm going in with 2 products, so a little bit of that 20% niacinamide serum because it's going to help control some of those oils I experience throughout the day just in my T-zone. And then these Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Smoothing Drops. It's such a mouthful. I like this product because it's a primer and a skincare product in one, and I love things that can do 2 things at once. Now we're going in with the Milk Makeup Primer. I know that there's so many dupes of this, but the OG is just too good. I love it so much. It's the perfect amount of sticky, perfect amount of everything. It's so good. And then, like I said, we're going to try to mix in some drugstore products here and there. So I'm using the L'Oreal True Match, and I don't remember what shade, but of course, like I mentioned earlier, don't forget to check the description box because literally every single shade of every product I use will be down there. And now you'll see me blending out my concealer, and this is the E.L.F concealer in the matte version, not the satin. The satin is the one that I usually use, but I kind of felt the matte version today. I was kind of liking it, and I'm making sure that I get the sides of my nose because I hate nothing more. Hate is a strong word, but I truly dislike those crevices that don't get any makeup on them, so it looks like your face is like breaking. I hate that. Went in with a little bit of pressed powder, and then I went in with the One Size Ultra Pink just because I was thinking Valentine's Day, like, let's use the pink. Because whenever I tell people, oh yeah, I like the pink, One Size powder is so good. They're like, girl, pink, but you're black. It shows up so translucent to me. Like, I literally see no difference between this one and the translucent, so you can really do either one. And then Juvia's Place, of course, I wanted a super sexy bronzed up look today. So as you see, I went dumb with the bronzer. She's going crazy with the bronzer, with the big poofy brush. It's going down for real. And then I wanted to keep it simple today, so I did a super easy little eyeshadow look. I think I used like 3 colors max from this palette. I love this palette because it has like every shade that I personally would ever need in it. It's so good. And I'm just using a brown just to, you know, give us a nice base for our eyeshadow. And then I did go in with like a lighter color on my lid, but it faded away so fast. But I don't think that's the eyeshadow's fault. I think it was my fault because I didn't really prep my eyes as good as I should have. So by the end of the look, you couldn't really see it, but it still came out cute, so I wasn't tripping. And for blush, for the life of me, I could not figure out if I wanted to use my Rare Beauty or the Mario. I was about to say Mario, but that's good. The Makeup by Mario. And I ended up choosing the Rare Beauty only because I wanted a pink pinky blush, not like a red pinky blush. And the Rare Beauty one is a true pink, and that's what I wanted. So I went in with that, and a little bit goes such a long way with this. Like, I see people on the internet, okay, just going dumb and then being like, oh my god, this product is so pigmented. Like, yeah, girl, that's the point. You need 1 dot for each cheek, and that's literally it. So nice. A little bit goes a long way, and it's such a pretty color on all skin tones. And then I went ahead and set that with a Sephora Collection blush. And like I mentioned in my last video, people sleep on Sephora Collection, but that is okay because more for me, baby. I'm always going to set any liquid I put down on my face, I'm going to set it with a powder, and this is the powder that I choose to set the blush with today. And for highlight, I usually don't do highlight anymore, but I went in with this one from the Black Radiance palette because it's such a pretty highlight. People kind of sleep on this as a highlight, but it's so nice on, and it complemented the blush really well, I think. And I went in with a brown liner on the lash line before putting lashes on. I didn't do eyeliner only because I felt like it may harden the look a little bit, and I really wanted to keep it soft. And of course, we're doing Valentines. We have to put on the Ardell Wispies. Like, what's a more iconic lash than that? Truly. And I was super hesitant about putting this pink in the inner corner, but I liked how it came out. I wanted it to be more fun because it was looking kind of boring, so I went ahead with the pink glitter in the inner corner, and I think it turned out cute. Then using some Caudalie setting spray just to melt all those powders, and then I just took any old brown lipstick I had lying around to line my lips, only because I can never find like a good true brown lip liner, so I just use a lipstick. And then going in with the Danessa Myricks, God, I forget the name. It was just on the screen too. But it's like a pigment for your lips or your cheeks or your eyes. Anything Danessa Myricks puts out is amazing. And look at how pretty it looked on my lips paired with this gloss. Fenty, you cannot get any better than that. And then setting with the One Size spray, which is going to keep you set all night, matte, transfer proof, all that. And look at this. Came out so cute. I absolutely loved it, and I hope you did too. Of course, if you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.